Want to hear a real IELTS Band 9 answer filled with uncommon idioms you can use in your test? Let me show you how a high-level candidate answers speaking part 2. Watch to the end and I'll show you other part 2 topics and the best way to answer each one. And don't forget to subscribe. Tell me which topics you want answered next. Cue card. Describe a difficult decision you had to make. Start of answer. One difficult decision I had to make was choosing my university major. At that time, I was really caught between a rock and a hard place because I enjoyed both business and engineering. Explaining the situation. My parents encouraged me to study engineering, but deep down I knew business suited me better. The problem was that I didn't have enough information, so every choice felt like a shot in the dark. Taking action. I started watching videos, attending workshops, and speaking to professionals. What really helped me was talking to a mentor who understood exactly what I was going through. It felt like we were on the same wavelength. Realization. She helped me realize that following my passion wasn't a leap of faith, but a logical step. She also explained that some subjects are a double-edged sword. They have benefits, but also heavy workloads. Final decision. Finally, I chose business. And honestly, that choice turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Not only did I enjoy my studies, but I also discovered strengths I never knew I had. Reflection. Looking back, the stress I felt at the time was just the tip of the iceberg, because the real growth came later. Lesson learned. This experience taught me that making decisions is never simple. But if you think carefully and do your research, you can really hit the nail on the head and choose the right path. Want more Band 9 idioms-packed answers for speaking part 1, 2, and 3? Follow at IELTS Education 25 for daily IELTS tips and sample answers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.